guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again here with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be a DIY eyelash extensions. So if you're interested in seeing how I put on my individual eyelashes, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need your tweezers. I use these curved ones right here. Also, you're going to need a spoolie. Can't really see it. A spoolie. You're gonna need your glue. This is the glue right here. Okay. This is the one I use. You're gonna need something to put it on, so I'm gonna just use this plastic top thing. These are the eyelashes I will be using. And a mirror. Hello. So you're gonna need a mirror. So that's really everything that you're going to need. And yeah. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure you have a clean face, especially around the eye area. You don't want oils or any kind of gook or any kind of makeup on your eyes, because it will not be helpful for when you're trying to put the glue on your eyelashes. Oil, glue, doesn't match. So I am going to set up my area. I'm going to be using the eyelashes, so I have them out of the box. Obviously I have them out of the box. But yeah, so I'm going to take my glue, shake it, put the glue right on this lid right here. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put like a drop. Okay, 2 drops. Okay, 2 drops. I'm gonna put 2 drops of glue, and this most likely will be enough for the whole process, both eyes. This is the eyelash glue that I use right here. I will link it down below for you guys. It is for sensitive eyes. I mean, it still will burn if you get it in your eye, but it's a sensitive, so I figure that's a little better since I am not a professional. Oh yeah, disclaimer, I am not a professional at all, so do this at your own risk. Yeah, so don't do it if you're not comfortable with inventing with your eyes. So yeah, so now I'm just going to take a hair off one of these eyelashes. I start with the long eyelashes first and then work my way in. So I start with the outer corner and work my way in. So I'm gonna just take the hair. So I'm gonna take it like this. I know it's upside down for you guys, but I think you could get it. So let's try it. Well, no, I can't do it that way. So I'm going to just take a hair like this, and you want to kind of hold it like not too, I'm going to just hold it like this. You probably can't see, but you don't want to grab it to there's like a little glue on this one, but you don't want to grab it too high up and too low. You want to just grab it kind of in the middle, just for you to have enough resistance, I guess, to be able to place it on your eyelash. So yeah, and another thing is that these eyelashes, I only use eyelashes that do not have the knot. So it is knot free, which are to me the best and kind of seamless. And I always get compliments that it looks so nice and so realistic. So yeah, that is it. Now for placing it on my eye, when I first looked on YouTube to see how to do it, I attempted to do it the way everyone else was doing it, and I tried to attempt to like place it on top. I'm just not good at that, so I decided to try a different way and place it on the bottom, which to me it looks more natural when you place it on the bottom anyway. And like I said, a lot of people compliment me about my eyelashes, and they said I can't even tell, look down and there's nothing on top that's gonna look like I have them, because they're all on the bottom. So yeah, so I'm just going to dip, let's move my finger. So I'm just gonna dip just a little glue, and I want the glue, since I'm doing it here on the bottom, I want, you can't really see it too well, but I want the glue to be more on the inside of the eyelash, since I'm gonna be on the bottom, whereas if you were doing it on top, you would want it to be on the bottom of the lash for it to stick on. So I kind of gonna hold it like this. Let me make sure you can see. So wait, okay, hold on. Sorry, bear with me. So I'm gonna hold it like this, and I want the glue to go right down here. So yeah, this is the way I'm gonna do it. Finger, come on, finger. So yeah, it's not really focused, I don't think, but it's gonna have a little tip. I like to kind of drag a little glue off, because a little goes a long way. Then I am going to look for my eyelash and kind of just place it on my eyelash. You don't want to blink. But anyway, you don't want to place it on your skin, because it will burn a little bit. Not really burn, but you'll feel a little sting. And I hold it up, and I'm just gonna use this to blow it, because I don't want it to get into my eye at all, because it will sting. So I kind of want it to dry first. So I'm just going to take another one right about halfway. There's like a little glue, just pull that off. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. And then again, I'm just gonna place that next to it. And then push down. So I think I'm in the clear. So yeah, so I'm gonna just keep on adding on, and with practice it will get easier and easier to do. And with these, because I usually do the individual ones, and that's just way more time consuming, and these are actually not that bad, and they don't look bad. So yeah. And also, I don't, if you could see, I kind of leave a little bit of space in between, just because I feel like that gives a more natural look, and I'm a pretty natural girl, kind of natural girl, so I like a natural look. So just gonna get repetitive. So now I'm just going to comb them out. That way I can see which ones are loose, which ones aren't, and how they look. I'm not feeling this one. Okay, got it off without taking a hair. So if you get it early enough, you could take it off without ripping your eyelashes off. So now I'm going to do the other side, because I think I'm good with this length right there. So I'm going to do the rest of this size off camera, and then I will come back when I am doing the next size. So I'm done with the long length, and now I'm going to move on to the medium length, and it is just the same exact process over and over and over, no matter what length it is. So I'm going to probably do the medium up to here, and probably only put about 2 short ones. And then I'm going to now do the short. Meanwhile, I'm still using the same glue, and it spilled on my table. Well, the tablecloth. Okay, sorry if the angle changed, but my camera died. So I didn't put anything on, so it died right on time. So I'm up to the short. And I'm going to put these on the same way I've been putting everything on. You guys think I should put more of the mediums in here? Not that you could answer me right at this moment. But anyway, yeah. Whatever. See, I think you guys are here with me, like a family. And I don't know if you noticed, I don't think I said it, but I kind of like to put a little glue on the eyelash itself. So now I'm just gonna look at myself. Bear with me for a moment. Okay, so I am going to try to put one more if my eyelashes could take it, because it's also about how much weight your eyelashes could take, and these are very thin little hairs, so we will see. And I still have glue. It's very tacky, but it works just as good. So I picked a thin eyelash for this eye just because I feel like this eye looks a little more full anyway. And that's all, folks. So this is my complete eyelash extensions look. They look good. Can you tell? I really like them. So I would say this whole process took me about 40 minutes to do, which if you get them professionally done, it probably takes about that long, 45, an hour to do anyway. So, you know, and it's so much cheaper because I bought these for $4.99 a pack and they had a 10% sale, so whatever that was, I think it came up to like $2.99. Maybe it was more than 10%, whatever. But anyway, yeah, so this is my final eyelash extensions look right here. As you saw, I did it from the bottom, so you can see all of that on the bottom, but when you look from like regular view like this, can you even tell really? You guys are probably being able to tell because you've seen how I did it, but even from here, can you tell? I wish I could see what you guys are seeing right now, but I can't because my eyes are closed. But yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, my bra strap just wants to keep peeking out. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then give this video a like. Also, if you have not done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel where I will be doing all kind of videos, like always. If you want to see me and my journey on trying to get into beauty type thing, like I said, I am not a professional. I do not even know how to do makeup that great, but I am trying to learn. So if you want to see me learn how to do makeup and my journey, I am going to be filming some videos of me just attempting to do what other people do, at least what I think other people do. So I will see you in the next video. Again, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, night, time. Yeah, bye guys. Yeah, so yeah, did I say subscribe? Yeah, so subscribe to my channel, please.